Meet Tom. Tom earns $5,000 a month. To his friends, he's rich. To the IRS, he's a golden goose. But to the bank, he's a walking liability. Tom has the Apple Watch Ultra, the designer fits, and a brand new BMW. But let's look at his real 2026 balance sheet. Income, $5,000. Rent, $2,800. Car payment, $800. Lifestyle and credit cards, $1,400. Net result, 0. Tom has a 780 FICO score and he's still broke. Why? Because FICO isn't a wealth score. It's an I love debt score. It just tells the bank how good you are at being a profitable servant. Tom is one paycheck away from disaster. He doesn't know the difference between a feeder and an eater. Let's translate Wall Street into Piggy language. Everything you buy is either an eater's or a feeder. An eater is a liability. It's a hungry pet. Look at Tom's car. It's not just the $800 payment. Add insurance, gas and repairs, and that BMW eats $1,300 a month. It's a financial black hole. By the time he pays it off, he'll have paid the bank $60,000 for a car worth pennies. A feeder is an asset. It's a tiny employee. When you buy a slice of the S&P 500, you aren't gambling. You are hiring the CEOs of Apple and Amazon to work for you. That $50 investment works 24/7. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't take vacations. It just breeds more money. Now, meet Ben. Ben also earns $5,000, but Ben understands compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It simply means your money makes babies, and then those babies make new babies. It's an avalanche of cash. Ben drives a used Honda. No car payment, low insurance. He takes that $1,000 Tom wastes on looking rich and buys feeders instead. Tom says, "I want to live for today. Inflation will eat your savings." But here's the secret. Ben isn't saving cash. He's buying assets that grow faster than inflation. In 10 years, Tom is still a slave to his job because his eaters are hungry. Ben has $170,000 in feeders. That army generates enough cash to pay his rent. Ben bought his freedom. Tom bought a car. The bank is like a toxic ex-partner. They only want you when you're doing great. Tom asks for a business loan. The bank checks his DTI, debt-to-income ratio. Translation: how much of your paycheck is already eaten by debt? For Tom, it's 70%. He is high risk, rejected. Ben walks in. He has zero debt and $170,000 in assets. The bank offers him a Lombard loan at prime rates. This is a magic trick for the rich. Ben borrows money against his stocks without selling them. He keeps the stocks, keeps the growth, and gets the cash. They practically beg him to take their money. Why? Because Ben has collateral. Collateral is the bank's safety net. It's real stuff they can grab if you run away. Ben has assets. Tom has hopes and dreams. To get money from a bank, you must prove you don't actually need it. That's the game. Stop looking at your salary. It's a vanity metric. What matters is your burn rate. Ask yourself, if I stopped working today, how many days would I survive before I go broke? For Tom, it's 20 days. For Ben, it's forever. Here is your homework. Draw a line down a piece of paper. Left side, feeders, things that pay you. Right side, eaters, things you pay for. If the right side is longer, you are walking into a trap, even if you earn 6 figures. Kill the eaters, hire the feeders. Buy your freedom, not your status. I'm Piggy, and the secret is out. Use it.